We're on our way to the market once again because this time we want to try making the barbecue chicken
and the Mexican rice and beans.
Papunta palengke, papunta palengke, paputa sa papun. Dije puta. I'm going to the market. Voy al mercado. Y aquí ya llegamos.
Looking, nope. But they have a lot of vegetables, but not the one we're looking for yet.
We found a few of the orange, I think onions, which I think we can still use. Right, Ma? Mira, these are the peppers that they have. So I haven't found any jalapeno or tamarindo, but what are these called? What are these called? Do you know?
What? I don't know what kind of pepper those are called.
Oh, hello, Po. How much is the onions?
It's 80 per kilo.
I'll take a kilo, please.
1 kilo.
Oh. Thank you. Oh, thank you. You're maganda.
Marunong ka rin palang magsagawag.
¿Qué digo?
Oh, you know how to speak Tagalog.
Oh, konting lang. Ah!
Ako rin, konti lang.
Lo dije mal?
Oh, me too, a little bit.
Oh, okay. I'm trying.
Try.
They have sticks here, barbecue sticks.
Are these the mangoes that you eat? The green mangoes that people eat with the, ¿cómo se llama? The shrimp paste?
I think so.
What is it called? The shrimp paste? What is
Bagoong.
it? Bagoong. And the salt and red Thai chili pepper. That's the one that I like, but I don't know if I bought the right mangoes.
Okay.
I would say mission accomplished because we got everything. Yeah.
Oh, everything we need, we got.
Except
Plus
no wait.
extra.
Mira, I'm supposed to be on a diet, pero what are we gonna do? Those are so delicious. Thank you, Kuya.
Push.
We're trying to, oh, oops. We're trying to find ice para la agua fresca. We're gonna make tamarind water.
Over here.
Because I really want to share a little bit of my home with our family. Mira, purified tubig, purified water, agua purificada.
We'll probably grab two just in case.
Okay, you
One to
carry it,
keep
it's
the
so
other
heavy.
cold.
Story weak. It's so strong.
Alright, maybe I'll work out.
Maybe one more? No, too
I
bad.
think it's two.
Okay.
One to keep the other cold.
Yeah. I really want to share tamarind water because I don't think they know what agua de tamarindo is.
So this is the tamarind we bought from the market. Apparently there's two kinds. These are the sweet ones. They're like red. And then these are the other ones. And then inside is like green.
No, they're just not ready.
Oh, these are not the ripe one? Oh, I thought they were two different types.
Well, that's what we were told, that there's a sour one and a sweet one. But these are good. It's para agua fresca.
So
And I'm
she's
peeling them.
now. We're gonna make agua fresca with
We're
these.
gonna boil these. And then, ¿cómo se dice? Strain?
Strain.
No, it's strain.
Strain the water.
Strain.
Strain.
Sugar, water, ice. Yeah. Agua de tamarindo.
I'm gonna go try and find some charcoal to make barbecue.
And ¿cómo se dice charcoal in Tagalog?
Oh god, I want to say it's uling, I think. I hope. We'll see.
Mira, my husband bought me salted peanuts. Están bien ricos. They're so yummy.
And
Shut
these
up.
are called uling. And of course you got little snacks.
And those are my favorite. Yeah.
I'm proud of you, love. My wife just made agua de tamarindo. I don't know. I've had ever since moving here, I've had more of a sugary taste. Let's try it out. It's not cheese, it's tamarindo.
You know, Philippines, resourceful.
It's good. Need more sugar.
No,
Did you-
no, it's
look at her
perfect.
get mad.
It's agua de tamarindo. It tastes good.
It's delicious. Now we're off to make red rice because our big buying box came and I have my red Nor Suiza. Should have bought more. It's like less
We'll
than a
probably
third
ask my
left.
mom to send us some. So.
So sad. Alright. Now it's time to make red rice.
Mira, the
Little
tomatoes are
tomatoes.
different.
They're a little tinier,
Yeah.
but they have so much flavor in them. Even the garlic and onions, everything, all the fruits and vegetables here have so much more flavor.
The garlic is super strong. Está
The
fuerte.
onion is super strong.
So no white onion, pero pues mira. Vas
What
a
we
ver
got.
rico. It's gonna taste good.
You do what you can with the tools that you got, with the ingredients that you are given.
Ay, qué cool.
Delicious. Yeah, ma? Frying the rice. Yes. Pero tikman mo, tamarind.
Tamarindo.
Sarap.
Sarap. Oh, qué rico. It's good. We did it.
I think we started up.
Helping or doing?
No, you're just gonna start it up. I'll be here to do it. I gave my dad.
That looks like a lot of work. There.
I did that. I cleaned it.
You didn't. Oh, okay.
I was gonna do the barbecue, but my dad basically took over for me. He likes to cook. Look at that. So charcoaly. Found something. What'd you eat, Kobe? What are you eating?
Guava. When it makes fat, it go like this.
You kind of started
The
eating
final-
already.
Yeah. Like the final product. Bam.
Super, super
Only
delicious.
took an hour and 30 minutes.
Only. Ahí está el
For a
agua.
small little grill.
¿Qué tal? ¿Rico? Sí. Super yummy. Mira, frijoles, red rice, and chicken, manok.
Grandpa's marinade. Tell Grandpa.